Hi.
Patrick and Friends. Sounds. Julia's holding a big seashell by her ear. Yes, you can listen to the sound of the wind by holding the seashell by your ears. Wayne also wants to listen. There are many other sounds around you. Do you want to listen to those sounds? Okay, close your eyes and concentrate. Patrick, you need to concentrate. Listen. Oh, it's a train. Let's listen for other sounds. It's coming from high up in the sky. Yes, it's an airplane. Want to listen to other sounds? Look, Patrick! What's that? It's an ambulance. Let's listen again. The doorbell is ringing. I wonder who rang the doorbell. Hi, Ivan, Sam, and Bobby. Come and listen to different sounds. It's the sound of the piano. Julia is playing the piano. What a nice piece of music. The bird is singing. It is the wonderful music of nature. Oh, what's that? Oh, the baby is crying. Shh. That's better. Let's be quiet. Oh my God! Mimi has broken the glass. What's that? Now that's a sound that comes with a smell, too. You know what? Bobby just farted. Patrick and Friends, a K's Kids production.